Are you faced with a leaking water heater and wondering whether to repair it or replace it altogether? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of repairing versus replacing a leaking water heater to help you make the right choice. Join us as we delve into the important factors to consider before making your decision. The first step in deciding whether to repair or replace a leaking water heater is to assess the extent of the damage. Look for visible signs of leakage, such as puddles or dampness around the water heater. Inspect the tank, pipes, and connections for any rust, corrosion, or cracks. Determine if the leak is due to a minor issue like a faulty valve or if it indicates a major problem with the tank itself. If the damage to your water heater is minor and localized, repairing it might be a viable option. Common repairs include fixing leaks, replacing valves, or repairing electrical components. However, keep in mind that older water heaters in poor condition may require frequent repairs, which can add up in terms of cost and inconvenience. In some cases, replacing a leaking water heater is the more practical and cost-effective choice. If the tank is severely rusted, corroded, or shows signs of structural damage, it's generally better to invest in a new water heater. Additionally, newer models often have improved energy efficiency, which can help you save on utility bills in the long run. When deciding between repairing and replacing a leaking water heater, it's crucial to consider the cost factors. Determine the cost of the necessary repairs and compare it to the price of a new water heater. Additionally, factor in the potential ongoing maintenance costs of an older unit versus the energy savings and warranty benefits of a new water heater. There is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to repairing or replacing a leaking water heater. It depends on the extent of the damage, the age and condition of the current unit, and your budget. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making your decision. Hopefully, this video has provided valuable insights to help guide you in choosing the right course of action.